So number 3, I have 10x plus 5y is greater than 40. Okay. Could you tell me the x and y intercepts? Remember we did like magic, made it happen. Cover it. What's your x-intercept? 4. So yeah, cover up your y. I have 40 divided by 10, which is 4. So my x-intercept is at 4, 0. Where's your y-intercept?
0, 8.
0, 8. Okay. Now, it says put it in slope-intercept form, so we're going to put it in y equals mx plus b, right? Think about 4, 0 and 0, 8 in your brain. Okay, think about where that is on the graph. You can draw a little picture if you want. Is that slope positive or negative? What is it? Negative, okay? Yes, negative. Okay, you can see that in your brain. It's negative. Your slope is negative 2. How did I get 2? I did 8 divided by 4 and I got 2. The negative part came from your brain because you know what 4, 0 and 0, 8 look like on the graph. Yeah? Okay. If you're going to shade the line, are you going to shade up or down? You're going to shade up? Why are we shading up? Makes a P. You are shading up. What is your line going to look like? You're going to have a dashed line. Can we write the slope-intercept form now? Yeah. Okay, what's your slope? So I have y equals negative 2. X is not part of the slope. Okay, you put it in there though. 2x plus what? Plus 8. Good. Could you put it in point slope form? Okay, y minus y1. I'm going to use this one. So y minus y1, y minus 0 equals m, negative 2, times x minus x1. So there's your slope, intercept, and point slope, and you really didn't have to do a whole lot of math. Okay, let's do number 4. I got 3x minus 2y is less than or equal to 12. What's your x-intercept? 4, 0. What's your y-intercept?
0, -6.
Okay, put those points in your brain. Think about it. Do you have a positive slope or a negative slope? Positive. And what is the slope? Slope's not 0.
Two over 3.
3 halves.
3 halves.
3 halves.
Oh yeah.
Do you know where that comes from? Yes or no?
Yes.
We got both. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm using these numbers. Okay? I have 6 and 4. 6 and 4, well, I actually have negative 6 and 4. It reduces to 3 halves. Okay, so this part I'm getting from right here. Okay? The positive, negative part, it's coming out of your brain. Okay? It's coming out of your brain. I mean, we could plug it in and do the whole y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 stuff, but just think of the picture. So your slope is 3 halves. Okay? How are you going to shade? Up or down?
Down.
Ooh, giant no. Well, I'm going to shade up instead of down. Huh? It's a negative. This is negative, so you have to flip the inequality. So we are going to shade up. What's the line going to look like? It's going to be solid. Okay. Bye. What would be the slope-intercept form of that line? Here, I'll start you out. Y equals 3 halves x minus 6. It's positive 3 halves. Positive 3 halves. Okay? Last one, 5. I got, where'd it go? Negative x plus 4y less than negative 20. X-intercept. 20, 0. Y-intercept. 0. Negative 5. What's your slope? It's what? 4? It's not 4. It's 1/4. Is it positive 1/4 or negative 1/4? Positive 1/4. Okay. How are we going to shade? You're going to shade down. Why are you shading down? Right, the inequality didn't flip. Y is positive. What's the line going to look like? It's going to be dashed. Slope-intercept form. Point slope. Y minus equals times